Okay, so I'm up on the roof here. What you have is a 3-tab asphalt shingle. Does appear that the roof is getting close to the end of its life expectancy. They call this a 20, well, most manufacturers say it's a 25-year shingle. You know, I usually see them 20 years. They start to, you know, really start getting bad. And when I say get bad, I mean like the granule loss is really the start of it all. You can see sort of just looks like pock marks. Originally these would have been like all like a solid gray. You could start to see like these black spots here and there, and that is a sign of the age. Like I said, also you can really see it down here on this section of roof down below. It's pretty bad. So yeah, it looks like I should have looked to see when these were built, but yeah, it looks to be the original roof. Once you start replacing them, you'll see like this was all done at once. You could see like down there they already started replacing it. So where there's like a capping that separates one from the next. So that's also a sign when you see the other roofs start looking like that. So yeah, there's also right here where I'm standing, there's a big sort of sag in the roof, and I don't know if you could see it on camera, but it's like right here. I did see some like I could sort of tell when I was in the attic that it was sagging. And nowadays you would use those it's called an H clip in between the rafters at a plywood seam. You would use those clips, and that helps to prevent that sort of thing. Other factors can go into that as well. Overheating. There was a fan in there, but it wasn't working, a powered electric fan. Honestly, this little strip of ridge vent isn't that much. You know, I'd like to see more. If you know, when the roof gets replaced, you know, that should be longer. So but for now, you do have exposed nails. You'd want to caulk those, because I'm not saying the roof needs to be replaced immediately, but it's getting there, right? So these plumbing vent rubbers on the flashing here are missing. Okay, so that's gonna leak. I knew that before I even got up here because I saw the daylight coming in when I was up in the attic. So same with this one here. So at minimum, if you're not going to replace the roof right away, you would want to fix these two, and maybe put some caulking on those nails there. That's been like that from the beginning. So sometimes they leak, sometimes they don't, but you always like to see caulk on those exposed nails. So yeah, that's gonna do it.